Ko maunga tere te maunga. Ko waimakariri, ko rakariri ngā awa. Ko tua ruriri te tangata. Ko tangatia aho. Ko maunga tere te maunga. Ko waimakariri, ko rakariri ngā awa. Ko tua ruriri te tangata. Ko tangatia aho. You are standing in Ōruapaeroa, the place where strong winds blow in from the sea. These wetlands stretch from here to the coast, to the Awa, and across to Itutai. We live here seasonally, gathering kai and other natural resources. Have a look at the map. You can see our mahi kai, resource gathering places. We take ducks and wiki here at Ōruapaeroa, flounder at Waipatiki, inanga from Ōpaoho. The forests of Pūtaingamotu and Paparuru give us keru and koroi, the fruits of the kahikatea. We move through the Kukuwai wetlands in Waukihi, like boats made from local and harakeke. The waterways link all the places where we work, live and play, and bring road-hitting visitors such as yourself from other parts to trade. We live close to the wetlands. We protect it, and in doing so, protect those things that nourish us. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa.